Hello guys, welcome to Maths Tips and Tricks. Today I'll share the solution of question number 15 of exercise 8.4 of NCERT Exemplar with you. So let's start. The question states that a ladder rests against the vertical wall at an inclination alpha to the horizontal. Its foot is pulled away from the wall through a distance p so that its upper end slides a distance q down the wall, and then the ladder makes an angle beta to the horizontal. Show that E by q is equals to cos b minus cos a upon sin a minus sin b. First of all, I'll advise you to make a figure of the question in the copy. You should always make the figure first while doing the question. It makes the question easier. Now let's start with the proof. First of all, in triangle ABE, sin alpha is equals to x plus q upon h. Let this be equation 1. And cos alpha is equals to y upon h. Let this be equation 2. Then in triangle DBC, sin beta is equals to x upon h. Let this be equation 3. And cos beta is equals to y plus b upon h. Let this be equation number 4. Now, from equations 1 and 3, we can say that sine alpha minus sine beta is equals to x plus q upon h minus x upon h, which is equals to q upon h. Let this be equation number 5. And from equations 2 and 4, we can say that cos beta minus cos alpha is equal to y plus p upon. As we have seen the equations number 5 and 6, from these two equations, we can say that cos beta minus cos alpha upon sin alpha minus sin beta is equal to p upon h divided by q upon h, which is equal to p upon q. Hence, we have proved that cos beta minus cos alpha upon sin alpha minus sin beta is equals to p upon q. Thanks for watching my video. For more videos like this, check out my other videos.